Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 Joystick isn't responding properly during gameplay, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the joystick components over time, or possibly some dirt and debris getting lodged inside. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant gameplay issues, making your gaming experience less enjoyable. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a replacement joystick module. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your PS5 is unplugged and placed on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the plastic opening tool, gently insert it into the seam of the PS5 casing and carefully pry it open. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have access to the internals, locate the joystick module on the controller's circuit board. It will be connected to the board via a few small screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws while ensuring you don't lose them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the screws, gently lift the joystick module away from the circuit board. You may need to disconnect a cable. Do this with care to avoid damaging the connector. Once the old joystick is out, take your new joystick module and connect it in the same way the old one was attached. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the casing, it's a good idea to clean the area around the joystick with some isopropyl alcohol to ensure no debris can cause further issues. Once you've cleaned it, gently press the casing back together, ensuring all clips are secured properly. Finally, plug your PS5 back in and test the joystick to confirm it's responding as expected. If everything works smoothly, you've successfully repaired your joystick. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to keep your controller clean and store it in a dust-free environment when not in use. Regular maintenance can save you from future headaches. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.